If you go to the Play Store, then search ChatGPT, you will see apps like these. But one, all of them are unofficial. Well, that's according to ChatGPT itself. And two, these guys even ask you to pay for ChatGPT, yet it's free. I repeat, it's free, and watch this short video till the end to see how you can get it.
Yeah, boy.
So first, leave the Play Store. Well, there is no official app for us, so let's leave. Head over to your browser. In my case, this is Google Chrome. Then, search for ChatGPT. That will load, so go on and tap your first search result. This leads you here, so right here, just sign in, and if you don't have an account yet, sign up for one. And here we are. So now let's create a shortcut since there is no official app yet. So tap that icon on your top right, swipe down slowly, and then tap Add to Home Screen. Then you can hold, drag, and leave it anywhere you want on your home screen. Now that's it. So the next time you want to use ChatGPT for free, just tap that icon on your home screen and enjoy. So that's pretty much it. Say thanks by dropping a like, and please let's make it 10 likes for this video, and subscribe for more straight to the point tutorials like this one.